In today's episode we are leaving Bunaken behind and heading to the northernmost tip of Sulawesi. First we hop on the ferry from Bunaken to Manado. Every single leg of this journey gives us a glimpse into local life and the incredible mix of improvisation and pure contentment you find everywhere here. Within minutes someone set up a table and a few plastic chairs so they can play cards during the crossing, while chickens, their feet gently tied together for transport, huddle quietly in the corner. From the harbor, we drive straight to our accommodation on the edge of the national park. After a quick look around the beautiful maintained grounds, we recharge with some seriously delicious food, moving into our stunning room, and then it's straight into the park, which you can only visit with a guide. Founded in 1919, Tangkoko National Park protects over 8,700 hectares of tropical rainforest and is home to at least 127 mammal species, 233 bird species and 104 reptiles and amphibians. It lies along the famous Wallace Line, the boundary where Asian and Australian wildlife zones meet, which makes this place incredibly special in terms of biodiversity. There's so much to discover here. That evening we set out in search of tarsiers. Before that we spot a cuscus, a fascinating marsupial relative. And then we find them, the smallest primates in the world, no bigger than a fist, with enormous eyes perfectly adapted for hunting insects at night. Even the hike back through the dark jungle is anything but boring. The next morning we head back into the park in pouring rain. We are determined to see the crested black macaques. We are a little worried at first. They are known to avoid heavy rain, but luckily the downpour eases up quickly and the monkeys emerge from their hiding spots. Since they neither hunted nor feed here, they almost completely ignore visitors. They walk and leap right past us without paying any attention at all. What an incredible experience! The striking red, often heavily swollen backsides of the females are a clear signal during mating season, a visual cue for the males that they are fertile. Our guides are incredibly dedicated, doing everything they can to spot as many animals as possible. They refuse to give up until we finally see a hornbill. We spend the rest of the day relaxing at the black sand beach of Bitung before heading back to our accommodation. We hope you enjoyed this episode as much as we did. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel and drop us a comment. And get ready for next week when we are off to Bangka Island to enjoy stunning beaches and dive once more into an incredible underwater world. Thanks so much for watching.